Hello everyone. It is a very bright and a cozy morning today. I woke up and had my coffee and I decided to go outside and enjoy this very comforting and soft sunlight. It is still kind of cold outside, but there's this amazing feeling when the first soft sunlight touches on your skin, and I love that feeling. So I decided to take a walk before making breakfast. It is also kind of windy today, and it adds to this beautiful, comforting nature of the morning. I just love to forget about everything else and enjoy these moments because these are real luxuries that I can afford at the moment. I know most people don't have this beautiful greenery in their house, so I'm just taking it all in and just being grateful for this beautiful start of the day. I'm having milk rice for breakfast. It is a heavy meal which can cause sleepiness, so I'm having a black coffee after having a heavy meal. I tend to overeat when I have milk rice, so I just decided to have coffee and then take a walk. I have decided I am going to walk 10,000 steps a day no matter what. I started at 4,000. It is still a big milestone, but I couldn't complete 10,000 steps during the first few days. So I'm getting there. So that is why I decided to just immediately start walking after having breakfast. So it usually takes around 2 hours for me to complete 10,000 steps. I am going to incorporate nature walks and just enjoying greenery into completing my exercise routine. I know it is not a very heart rate rising kind of an exercise, but it is still better than nothing, and I just wanted to complete the target for each day. So I'm going to keep quiet and just let you enjoy what I saw during my 10,000 steps. It is the night time now, and I'm going to affirm for 45 minutes straight. This is the last thing I do before falling asleep, and it helps me with my mindset programming. So I have been doing that for some days now, and it is really effective. So I'm doing that for some time, and I'm going to fall asleep. It is the next day now, and I woke up and I did more affirming, and now I'm going to get ready for the day. It rained a little bit at night, so it is very dewy in the morning. It suddenly started raining, so I just came outside to watch the rain. I didn't even have breakfast yet, but I just wanted to just capture the rain. It is so cozy to light up the clay and wooden stuff and cook in the morning while it is raining outside, and I love doing that. And I'm hungry, so I'm going to quickly cook something and eat. This is my breakfast. I'm having white rice with dal curry, carrot salad, and stir-fried brinjal. I did some grocery shopping. I forgot to take the phone with me, so I couldn't take any of the videos of my shopping experience. But I decided to do a grocery haul. I'm not going to name the products, but you can see that. So these are all the things I bought today. I came outside for an evening walk. The sun is setting beautifully. I also need to complete my 10,000 steps challenge. I am more than halfway done because I walked a lot during my grocery shopping trip, but I wanted to finish the step count regardless. And also, it is a very beautiful evening. I wanted to take you all with me for the walk. I'm having a very simple dinner. I'm having rice with melon and dal curry. I love this combination. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching.